Welcome back to Project RSX. Today we're on episode 13. In today's episode, you're gonna see me install these wheels and tires onto my vehicle. They're all seasons, and I got this for a steal of a price. I only paid $100 because a parts guy used to work at my dealer. He left them there. He wanted to get rid of them. He said $100. I said no problems, my friend. Give me this right now. I will e-transfer you right away. And just like that, it was a done deal. And I really like the color of these wheels. There's not that many scratches and curb rash on it, and the tires were only used for one season, and I needed all seasons anyways. My tires are garbage. They're winter tires, and there's basically like no tread left. We're gonna see how these look on my car. They're 16-inch like the wheels that I have on it right now, and they're Honda wheels, and they have the same bolt pattern, so they should slap straight on with no problems. So let's see how it looks. I also wanted to take this time to showcase my workstation. This is my bay at work. You know, this is where I do all my mechanical technical procedures with the vehicles. This is my second home right here. I hope you guys like that. And this is me, Sexy Beast. It's time to get on with the show, baby. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of commentary so you guys aren't bored just watching me work, but I need my wheel lock key here, and then I want to show you guys what is on my vehicle as of right now. You see how bad the winters are? You see, like these are ready to be thrown in the garbage. So as I was setting up my vehicle to be lifted on the hoist, my brother here, Alex, he's another technician I work with. I told him throw up some gang signs, my dad. Gunshots in the dealership. What do you know about that? But yeah, now I'm able to lift my vehicle up, and I'm gonna take off the passenger side first. I do apologize in advance for the poor camera angles, but you guys will see how this looks after. Yeah, not too bad. Honestly, my first impression when I saw them, I knew they were gonna look pretty nice. And I was really liking the colors, so we'll just go ahead and bang out the driver's side. And while I was doing the driver's side, guess who else came into the video? My other brother from another mother, my buddy, Bud. Look who it is. I follow this guy on Instagram. I love this guy. This is cool. One of the coolest guys I ever met using the parts department. Unfortunately, he left. I'm gonna kiss him right here. Honestly, I love that guy, bro. I know you're watching this, bro. I love you. I'm gonna smooch you. Now we can continue with the show. We just gotta throw on the driver's side, front and rear. And now with these two on, you guys can have a better visual representation of how this is gonna look on the ground. I like the color. Don't look at the rust. Do not look at the rust. But now we're just gonna put some air pressure in this. Make sure they're all at around, I think 35 it was. Put some air in this, and now it's time to boogie. And here is the final product. What a sexy car for a sexy man like ManiZilla. The wheels are nice. It's clean. It's very nice. Obviously, I didn't pick the wheels and tires by my own choice, but the deal was there, and I'd be stupid to turn that down. I would be absolutely crazy to say no to this. $100. That is a deal right there, and it looks nice, and I got my all seasons on. We ready for this summer. All right, we ready. And I got my glizzy here. You know I gobbled this up. That's about it, guys. All right, stop judging me, man. Just like the video, subscribe, and share it. Do all that good stuff. Join Zilla Squad, subscribe. You already know what it is. I'll see you guys in the next video.